Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Girlz assistant coach Dion Burton said the team showed fight in the second half despite losing 4-0 to Mexico women in the second friendly international in Houston, USA on Tuesday evening. All 4 goals were scored in the first, with Lisbeth Obali in the 8th minute, Alice Soto in the 11th and the 24th, and Scarlett Camberos in the 18th minute on target for Mexico women. He pointed where the game went better for them.
The second half was a different story, and I think we should have really got something out of the second half because they deserved it. And that's what we want from them. We said if you can start like that in games and take it to half-time on a more level playing field, then the second half, if we carried on how we did, we would have maybe got some joy.
He also thinks they were able to take something positive from the 2 friendlies.
It's good how it ended because obviously the overall tour wasn't a success, but it finished on a positive. And I think we had lots of territory in the second half of this game where we pressured and we pressed from the front and we caused Mexico a lot of problems. Just a little bit more quality at the end, and we maybe would have got a lot of goals. So that's a positive to take forward. And hopefully, when we come to camp again, we will start on the same foot and start with a better purpose.
The Mexicans had won the first encounter 3-0 on Saturday to break a 4-game unbeaten run for the Jamaicans. West Indies women suffered an 11-run defeat to Scotland women in the ICC World Cup qualifiers in Lahore today. Scotland women batting first posted 244 all-out in 45 overs. Sarah Bryce top scored with 55, while Megan McCall had 45. West Indies women's captain Hayley Matthews was the chief wicket taker for the Caribbean women, claiming 4 for 56, while Ali Alain and Krishma Ramarak had 2 wickets each. Set 245 for victory, the West Indies were in control and at one point were 194 for 7. However, they faltered towards the end of their innings to be all out for 233 in 46.2 overs. Matthews put on a great batting performance, getting to 114 not out from 113 balls, which included 14 boundaries. She shared in a 113-run second wicket partnership with Zayda James, who made 45. Only 2 other batters got into double figures. Catherine Fraser claimed the 3 for 50 for the Scottish women. There were 2 wickets apiece for Chloe Abel and Abatha Maksood, while Darcy Carter and captain Catherine Bryce had a wicket each. The Caribbean women will play Ireland tomorrow. And finally, the Cleveland Cavaliers secured top spot in the Eastern Conference with a 135-113 victory over the Chicago Bulls. The victory means the Kenny Atkinson side will have home advantage in next week's playoff following the completion of the regular season on Sunday. Darius Garland top scored with 38 points as the Cleveland Cavaliers improved to 63-16 with 3 regular season games remaining. Elsewhere, Luka Doncic was ejected in the 4th quarter as the Los Angeles Lakers lost 136-120 to the Oklahoma City Thunder. Doncic was dismissed for a second technical foul after an official said he was verbally abused by the Slovenian. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander top scored with 42 points for the Thunder, who have already secured a top spot in the Western Conference. The Lakers need 2 wins from their 3 regular season games to guarantee 3rd place. Just behind the Lakers in 4th are the LA Clippers, who earned a 5th successive win by beating the San Antonio Spurs 122-117. The Warriors occupy the final playoff position in 6th after beating the Phoenix Suns 133-95. The Grizzlies are 7th after winning 124-100 at the Charlotte Hornets. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.